Let's take a look in this report on how there have been controversies and there has been a long legal battle for this sport.
Jallikattu combines two P's of Dravidian culture, pride and politics, and that rules Tamil Nadu and its people. Bull rearing of finest quality for this festival is about showcasing the quality of cattle, the breeding skills of cattle rearers, the centrality of cattle in an agrarian economy, and the power and pride they bring to farmers. But in the middle of all this lies another truth of animal abuse and death and severe injury sustained by both the beast and man trying to tame it. Nearly a decade after the ban on training and exhibition of animals was imposed, Jallikattu faced its first hurdle in 2007. The Animal Welfare Board of India and the animal rights group PETA moved petitions in the Supreme Court against Jallikattu as well as bullock cart race. The Tamil Nadu government, with M. Karunanidhi as its chief minister, worked its way out of the ban by passing a law in 2009. 2 years later, in 2011, when the UPA government added bulls to the list of animals from being banned for training and exhibition, the Animal Welfare Board of India and PETA filed a petition in the Supreme Court. They contested the regulations were not being followed and that bulls were being subjected to cruelty as defined under the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960. In May 2014, the Supreme Court banned the bull taming sport, ruling on a petition that cited the 2011 notification. As a result, Jallikattu did not take place in subsequent years. 2 years later, in January 2016, however, the Union Environment Ministry revoked the ban by issuing a notification. Tamil Nadu Assembly elections were approaching and the move was criticized as people appeasing vote bank politics. The Animal Welfare Board of India and PETA challenged the notification. An year-long court battle got people of Tamil Nadu riled up, and in January 2017, the famous Marina Beach uprising happened. Several hundreds of protesters conducted peaceful rally at Tamil Nadu's capital city Chennai, opposing the ban on Jallikattu. Tamil superstar Kamal Haasan and Rajinikanth spoke in support of Jallikattu. O. Paneerselvam government passed the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Tamil Nadu Amendment Act of 2017 and Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Conduct of Jallikattu Rules of 2017. These reopened the gates for the conduct of Jallikattu in the name of culture and tradition despite the 2014 ban by the Supreme Court. The amendment was subsequently approved by the President of India. But that wasn't the end of this court battle or controversy surrounding the bull taming festival. On 8th of December 2022, a 5-member constitution bench of the Supreme Court reserved its verdict on a batch of pleas challenging the Tamil Nadu law allowing Jallikattu. On hearing petitions against the latest law, the court sought to address the questions of whether Jallikattu should be granted constitutional protection as a collective cultural right under Article 29(1) and whether the 2017 law and rules perpetuate cruelty to animals, or were they a means to ensure the survival and well-being of the native breed of bulls. The verdict is still not out.